Backyard installation in Belle Terre, New York. We installed G41 pavers throughout the backyard patios. We installed blue marble tumbled veneers for the bottom part of the house and the fireplace chimney. All retaining walls were veneered with the marble. And all the columns, piers for the pavilion structure. The back wall behind the spa is a water feature, and it was veneered with the glass tiles. Pool is a custom shaped pool with a negative edge and a sunk down bar area with the stools inside the pool and a sun deck. We installed a cooking area outside of the covered patio. Property sits high above the Port Jefferson Harbor. We installed a gas fire pit area at the edge of the property with a table and a surround the wall used as a sitting wall. Latest backyard installation by Gappsi in Belle Terre, New York.